Good day. This is Alex, the woodworking dude, back here for another video. Happy New Year to all of those who have been following me, and to all of those who want to follow me, and even to those that still haven't followed me or subscribed. I have this product from China, and I think I have to play my part on doing a review about it because it's a very special product. It's for my house, and I bought this product based on the reviews from the off-grid garage, Andy from Australia, and he talks a lot about products and products similar to these, and I bought this product based on the reviews that he did on similar products and similar brands. So now I will start with the unboxing. Okay, so this is the box that I've got. I ordered it from AliExpress on the pre-release. It's a JK BMS, and this is the inverter model, more advanced than the normal model. So this is a model that can talk to the inverter direct. It has a screen, it has functionality built in to protect the batteries from high voltage surges when disconnecting each battery. So this is what I bought this for, as it was going to be the best at the time. This is what the company recommend for hooking up batteries in parallel. So let's start with unboxing. This is what comes in the box. I don't know if this is special to me as I bought it in the pre-release, but we got the communication cable. This is the cables to hook up the batteries, to hook up each wire to the separate cells. More of these same wires, and I guess this is connection for paralleling as well. This is the screen. This is a touch screen. Very nice. This is the board where you push in each of those cables. This is for the parallel sharing and CAN bus and what's not. The dip switches, signal lights. Very self-explanatory. This is the switch, the button to turn it on and off. It's a very small button, as you see, compared to my thumb. And this here, this switch works in conjunction with the touch screen. And this is the BMS. Very beefy. So this is the 100 amp model. So as you can see, instead of 2 connections for the battery, if you was to buy the ones over these, you would get 2 connections to run 2 different wires for more power. This is for parallel purposes, so this is the current limiter. As you can see, this board is a lot more advanced than the old JK BMS. It feels very nice, very well made, very well thought out. This company has been doing a lot of things. As if you watch the Andy from Australia, the off-grid garage, you can see that this company really pays attention to detail and always looking to improve their products. Obviously, everything don't go as smooth as planned, and this company has had a lot of issues with perfecting the software. With obviously, you had little hardware. Yeah, so far it didn't have any hardware issues, but mostly problems was with software. So with updates, as you can see, Andy always show you the updates that they're saying through the app, and they're improving all the time. So right now the problem that he had was hooking up the initial problem he had was hooking up the BMS to the Victron system that he had. The system that I'm having, or that I'm supposed to receive, is a grow up system, and I think they already had that issue solved with the grow up inverter. So this should work seamless on the first version of the software to the grow up system. And when you receive that, I'll also show you all that as well, because the grow up inverter that I'm receiving is that one will be able to handle high surges in current. When the battery arrives, I will work on this BMS. I will hook it up for you all to show you how it works, how it charges, and how it functions. So I hope that this video was a little help to you. This is just the unboxing for now, and just an overview. As you know, and you should hear from my accent, I'm from Barbados, and we don't get monetized in Barbados. So if you think that this video will be help or is help to you, or if you just feel generous and want to help push the channel, you know what I mean, so that I can focus more on making videos, because it's very hard making videos without any financial backing to upgrade the cameras, to take time off from work or stuff like that. If you want to donate to the cause, a PayPal link will be in the description below. And look forward to get a lot more videos about this electrical part for my house. This is the JK BMS, and I will show you how it works in a future video. Everybody just like and subscribe, all that jazz. Catch you in another one.